Welcome to this YouTube tutorial. On this video, I will show you how to make your Windows computer run fast. We will be emptying 2 temporary folders and also do disk cleanup. I'm here on this PC and on C drive. I double click it and look for Windows folder. I double click and go down, look for temp folder. Temp folder is here. I double click and click on one of the files in temp folder and press Ctrl then A. I've select all, then I right click and delete. Almost everything is deleted. I close it. Don't worry about what cannot be deleted. Now we are looking for the second temp folder. To reach the second temp folder, we have to press on the window key on the keyboard, then press X. Windows key, then X. Okay. Now I click on run and write app data. APPDATA, capital A, PP, capital D, ATA, app data. Click OK and double click local and look for temp folder. Temp is here again. Click it, double click. Now I'm inside temp folder. Click on one of the files, Ctrl A to select all, and now I right click and delete. Okay, we finished with emptying temp folders. Now we need to do disk cleanup. I'm on Windows 10, so I just write disk cleanup and click disk cleanup app. Okay, on this window I select everything possible, every folder that's not empty. Okay, all these that's not empty I select and click OK. Now the question, this pop-up window asks me, are you sure you want to permanently delete these files? Delete files. Okay, all these files are now deleted. Now I need to go to recycle bin and recycle. Okay, I just write recycle and recycle bin appears. I click it and now I need to empty the recycle bin. The same process. Click on one of the files, Ctrl A to delete everything, to select everything. Click on one of the file, Ctrl A to select everything, right click and delete. Are you sure you want to permanently delete these 105 items? Yes. Okay, now the recycle bin is deleted, is empty. The recycle bin is empty, and I will just repeat the process so that you can remember easily. I'm on this PC, double click C drive, this PC, double click C drive, click on Windows folder, look for temp folder, and double click it. Inside temp folder, click on one of the files, then Ctrl A to select all, then right click and delete. Once you finish with this first step, what you cannot delete here, you move on, don't worry about it. The second step is to click on window key and X, window key then X, and go to run app data, capital A pp, capital D A T A, click OK, go to local, go down to temp folder again. Now it's empty, but you know the process. You click on one of the files, then Control A to select all, right click and delete. Disk cleanup is easy. From Windows 10, you just here in the search box, you just write disk and select disk cleanup app. You click, and on this pop-up window, you select every folder that has some kind of data. Like this one, 3 MB, this one, temporary files, or everything that has some kind of data, you select and delete. That's it. And click OK. You select them and click OK. OK, delete, and that's it. So once you do this, your computer should be faster than it was before. And this process is needed frequently if you use Bluestacks or any other heavy program. Once you do this frequently, your computer should be running smoothly. Thank you so much for watching my tutorial. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.